It's Thursday, March 24th. Kalin here in the Weather Center. Thank you for joining me for the mid-evening edition of my forecast. Taking a look at temperatures across the region, well, it was certainly a very cold start to the day today, and temperatures, they remain chilly as we went through the afternoon into the evening. And this cold air in place, that's an important part of this next weather system coming in because it's a warm front, but initially, for many parts of the region, that warm air will not reach the surface. And that's going to create first a snowy situation for us, and then a risk of some freezing rain, with freezing rain prolonged tomorrow for parts of New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island. So let's take a look at that weather system's map. Here it is, this warm front that's still off to the southwest of us, just nudging its way up to southern Ontario. Extensive freezing rain for them today. Big time delays at Pearson International Airport. That warm front as well into northeastern parts of the United States. And that's our weather maker really over the next 24 hours. So I want to take a look at our forecast model showing precipitation. We're not going to look at the cloud cover because I want to focus on that precipitation, when it will arrive and what form it's going to be in. As we head through this evening and tonight, it's snow developing across New Brunswick. Light for most areas of that province, but 5 to 10 centimeters possible in the northwestern corner by sunrise on Friday. It's also flurries developing and spreading across mainland Nova Scotia, but some pink showing up here. That is indicating the mixing in of some patchy and light freezing rain, so be careful about slick road conditions. That is still around Nova Scotia first thing Friday morning, though temperatures in the southwest of that province warming up fairly quickly to above freezing, turning it over to showers. Still northeastern parts of Nova Scotia, parts of Cape Breton could be dealing with that light freezing rain all the way up until around noon. Additionally, it's a turnover to freezing rain for much of southern and central parts of New Brunswick for Friday morning and in Prince Edward Island. That freezing rain will be ongoing through central New Brunswick and western PEI, Prince County, all the way through the afternoon into the evening, and that is where we could really see some significant ice accumulation. In the meantime, in the north of New Brunswick, a mixture of snow, ice pellets, and freezing rain will total as much as 15 to 25 centimeters for some areas. Now moving through Friday afternoon towards Friday evening, it's a round of rain. Some of that rain working its way in along the Bay of Fundy coastline in New Brunswick, eastern parts of Prince Edward Island, and all across Nova Scotia. And in that rain, don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder, and we're looking at some rainfall amounts of 10 to 20 millimeters. Now thankfully, this is a fairly quickly moving weather system. It's all going to be clearing out as we head through Friday night in the early morning hours of Saturday, and the rest of Saturday and Sunday. It's a pretty fair weather forecast for us. There could be some scenes tomorrow, though, like this one. This came out of southern Ontario from our meteorologist, Jay Scotland. You can certainly see he had some work to do to chip his car out of that ice as a result of that freezing rain. So really be careful about that in the region for tomorrow. It could not only accumulate, of course, on cars, but also on untreated road surfaces, branches, and power lines. Power outages not completely out of a question with this weather system. Snowfall warnings in place across the north of New Brunswick, as much as 15 to 25 centimeters. Freezing rain warnings for much of the rest of New Brunswick and Prince County, Prince Edward Island. Special weather statements take over from there for southern New Brunswick, the rest of PEI, northeastern parts of Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. All these areas, an eventual turnover to rain and showers expected, but Friday morning there's going to be some freezing rain around. Lows in the forecast for tonight. As you'd expect, it's going to be another colder night for us here in the Maritimes. A few areas getting down to -10 in New Brunswick, several degrees below freezing across Prince Edward Island, and low temperatures tonight below normal for Nova Scotia, between -8 and -2. Coldest in Cape Breton. Highs in the forecast for tomorrow remaining in the range from -5 to -3 through the north of New Brunswick, near zero for Fredericton and central parts of the province. A lot of freezing rain expected there, eventually climbing above zero though along the Bay of Fundy coastline and towards Moncton. Similar split in temperatures expected across Prince Edward Island. Colder in Prince County, where the freezing rain could hold on to the mid-afternoon hours before the turnover to rain takes place. That changeover to rain and showers, though, should happen by the early afternoon for Charlottetown and east. Across Nova Scotia for tomorrow, watch out for that freezing rain province-wide in the morning. Early morning, and then moving through the afternoon into the evening, eventually those temperatures getting into the range of 8 to 12 degrees across the province. 7-day forecast moving forward, beginning in New Brunswick. So messy weather on Friday, very icy conditions expected. Saturday, though, mostly sunny. Same thing goes for Sunday. Chance of showers late Monday, and a mixture of snow and rain in the forecast for next Tuesday. Prince Edward Island, after the freezing rain Friday morning, we'll get into a round of rain and showers, clearing away though by Saturday. Sunday will be mostly sunny, increasing cloudiness in the forecast for Monday, rainy and windy weather on deck for next Tuesday. And for Nova Scotia, tomorrow morning, be careful about the freezing rain. Could hold on to near noon for northeastern parts of the mainland and Cape Breton. After that, a round of rain clearing through Friday night. After that, clearing conditions on Saturday, mostly sunny skies on Sunday, a chance of showers late Monday, and rainy and windy conditions for next Tuesday. I want to wish everybody a happy Easter weekend.